If you want to know what's new in pool robots, it is AI. Now I'm going to give you a comparison of two of the greatest new pool bots that incorporate AI in their pool cleaning techniques. We have the Aiper Scuba V3 AI pool cleaning robot that is new on the market, and it is awesome. And we have the iGarden M1 series. We have an M145 all the way up to an M190 with a difference in battery length and capacity, and it is awesome. This one features two AI sensing cameras and 2 motors, and the Aiper Scuba V3 has a unique approach to AI technology, and it also has a very unique feature, and it comes with a self-charging stand where you simply put it in, adding to the ease of the recharging of the pool cleaner. And this sports car looking iGarden M1 series machine is so cool. So many great features. Let's dive in and learn about each one. Meet the iGarden M1 AI series with the biomimetic dual AI vision that actually sees the actual machine itself simply using the control panel. And you're going to give it a little shake, let the air out the first time, and there you go. Now, it's important to note when you're starting your iGarden machine, you're going to depress the power button for 3 seconds. Then you're going to pick your options, your different modes, and you're going to press it again, the power button, one more time, but just a short press. That makes it start. If you hold it a long press the second time, that's the on-off feature, so it will make it stop. So what you want to do to repeat is a long press for 3 seconds, pick your options between your different modes, and then a short press to say, okay, that's what I want. That sends your iGarden off to work doing all the great functions that it's designed to do. I have it here starting out on my ledge. It's a rainy day in my pool, and it is filled with rain and leaves and all the things that the rain brings in. And we're going to let it do its first time mapping of my pool and see what great things it comes up with. Watch all the way to the end because we're going to have a great graphic on all the benefits of the iGarden M series and show you some of the results as well. Now, this great machine was provided for me from my honest opinion, and I love iGarden products as well as all pool cleaners, and I am very impressed with its ability to clean. Now look how it jets around the pool. It's mapping its path with its biomimetic dual AI vision. This device uses a dual camera system inspired by nature to enhance the clarity and vision. The AI vision technology is capable of transforming darkness into clarity to ensure coverage. It has cleaning power that is driven by the ability to see and capture every detail in a pool. The comprehensive coverage includes a technology designed to reveal every corner of the pool during the cleaning process. The product represents an innovation in pool care that combines a deep intelligence with a human-like feel. It also has an AI option for a 20-minute quick clean. It offers ultra-long run times. It has an infinity drive which delivers multiple hours of continuous cleaning depending on the model you select on a single charge. The advanced hydrodynamics Aqua Advantage trackless 4-wheel design meets Resistech corrosion-resistant materials built for lots of seasons and great climbing abilities to clean the ledges and the water lines. Look at those monster wheels go. It also has an AI target system which reads every inch and obstacle in real time. Suction and strategy adjust automatically with obstacle avoidance and just precise adaptive cleaning. It's a supercar inspired design and a 3-year worry-free warranty that gives you the ability to add to cart now because you know that you have a great warranty to back up this great performance. I highly recommend this MI series. It's new, it's innovative, it has all the great features of AI, and you just will have confidence that your pool will be clean and have the greatest technology to do the best job available so you can enjoy your pool for what it's meant to do. Simply swim and enjoy it with your family and friends. With those cameras providing OmniLogic and a real 3D view of your pool, there's nothing left for you to do but enjoy. With the Resistech corrosion-resistant materials, it's built for long-term durability, which you will be able to enjoy for years to come. Watching it clean the waterline, the floors, and all the ledges with great precision. Enjoy your pool, relax, because the M1 design is in charge. Let's get it in the pool. This was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I love it. I'm so excited to put it in the pool with you. Here we go, putting it in. Now the Scuba is awesome at the waterline, the floors, and shallow surfaces. It uses jet assist scrubbing that you see here with dual brushes, 4800 GPH suction, and micro mesh multi-layer filtration for a complete clean. Now it has great mapping using the world's first cognitive AI powered essential robot pool cleaning features. It goes toward the dirt, seeks it, finds it, and retrieves it. With its powered AI camera, the Scuba V3 detects 20 types of debris, cuts unnecessary movement, and boasts efficiency by cleaning 10 times faster, delivering faster cleanup, smarter coverage, and less waiting. Your pool will be cleaner in less time. As you can see, it is jetting across my pool in a very organized fashion, seeking out the debris and going completely over the floors, the walls, and the water lines. It has an advanced mode called AI Navium, and that delivers hands-free weekly cleaning, creating a personalized plan based on your pool size, the weather, of course, and the cleaning history. It's 7 days on just one charge. That means 24/7 pool cleaning where you don't even have to think about it. And look, it masters the stairs and the water line above the stairs. That's a very unique feature. Look at it climbing the stairs. Now my stairs are sloped and they're rounded edges, which is hard for pool cleaners, but it is just going over it massively. Since it seeks out the dirt and finds it, it is a lot quicker. It's not just wandering around, it's seeking the dirt. And look at it on my shallow tanning ledge here. And it has obstacle avoidance. As you see, it gingerly has a soft touch around my pool light. And this is a very hard spot because it's curved, it's sloped, and it has a light in the middle, and the ledge gets narrower near the ends. So this is a really unique spot that most pool cleaners struggle with, but this V3 has handled it perfectly. Another great feature it has is horizontal waterline cleaning. That gives extra time and attention on the water lines. It turns on its side and it scrubs it from the front and the side. It can detect dirt from 6.5 feet away, and it's 10 times faster with leaves, debris, sticks, bugs. You name it, it takes care of it. You're going to want to see a lot more of this V3. Now there is some really great tips that you're going to want to watch all the way to the end. There's a super special tip to make the iGarden soar at its best, and the Aiper V3 has a special feature too that you're going to want to watch till the end. Now watch for that graphic at the end, because when you screenshot it, by the time you've watched this video, you'll know just which one to add to cart. Now they both boast a 3-year warranty, so you will have a lot of comfort in any of your choices. These were both provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I'm your pool guru gal, and I love them both. Both great companies, Aiper and iGarden, you can't go wrong. Let's see which one is perfect for your pool.